Today, I'm flying on Avianca Business Class from Buenos Aires to Bogotá. Suspense starts early. No lounge at AEP, none. So I sat at the gate like a commoner. Boarding? Fine. Seats? It leans back. Takeoff? Loud. Entertainment? Your phone. Amenity kit? Tiny but cute. Breakfast? We'll see. Toilets? Don't ask. Landing and escape? Priceless. Now, join me for the most suspenseful recliner ride of your life. Hello everyone, it's your favorite Asian Charles, and we're flying again, and right now I'm at Buenos Aires George Newbery Airport, the smaller of the two airports that service the city, and today we're flying on Avianca flight AV154 for servicing between Buenos Aires and Bogotá, one of my favorite cities. We'll be sitting at business section today with seat number 1A. With that being said, hopefully the boarding will start soon and we'll have a pleasant flight. Let's get going. Once again, no lounge at AEP, no priority security, just me, the gate, and the glorious equality of standing in line with everyone else. The door is not open yet. Hopefully it's not going to be too much longer. In about 5 minutes, still waiting here. Finally, yes! I'm going home. Let's go. If you wonder what's your welcome drink, here it goes. My favorite beverage, plain old simple spring water. Airbus A320 Neo, same setup, 2 row of 3, middle seat replaced with a tray. But today, the tray looks dirty.
For those with accessories, they do have universal outlets here, as well as a USB port. There's no USB-C, just a traditional USB. For the reclining, it's approximately about 10 degrees. Let's check out the legroom. So here you go. This is pretty acceptable. Ooh, there's the trash right there. So there's no in-flight magazines, but it does have a safety card. Oh, okay.
No screens, use your phone. Wi-Fi? No, only use it to connect to your in-flight entertainments. We checked that out after airborne. Advice? Phone holders, unless you enjoy arm cramps at 30,000 feet.
So once you come on board, you will find this package right here. Okay, so comfy blanket and a pillow. Nice. That's cool. And that's all it is.
We just got pushed back. That's a good sign. Right there.
Looks like it's breakfast time, and the option is egg omelette pancake. There's also some fresh fruits with mint, and as well some bread. With that being said, there's only one thing we need to do. Begin.
Omelette over pancakes, good move. Creamy, cheesy, and even have chickens. Spinach, fancy. Fruit, tasty but little. Bread, both. Croissant crushed. Multigrain wins, not cold, win. Score 7 out of 10. Portion small. No lounge breakfast before lunch. Avianca, my stomach won't answers.
Let's check out the business class bathroom. It's pretty small, but it's pretty clean. Baby basin here, toilets, fully stocked with paper towel and toilet paper. One thing it does not have is the female essentials as well. Toilet cover. It's small, but the toilets in the back and the economy class is even smaller. You can kind of get away with icon. Don't get caught. And also, we are given, I believe, these accessories. Over here it says this is inspired by Colombian indigenous culture and its biodiversity. And it's made from the recycled PET bottles. That's awesome. Wi-Fi entertainment is basically connecting to your Wi-Fi. The selection is actually pretty good, but at the same time, where do you put this? Like, do you have to hold this all the time? So, also they have TV shows, and also games. So for me, I like to stare at one thing. Where I am and how much longer before we arrive. So we still have 4.5 hours to go. Just sit back, relax, and have a nice nap. That's what I really, really need. Just woke up from a nap and we have 2 more hours of flight time. And so I asked the cabin crew to give me another bottle of water. I wish I could really lie down. The other positions I use to do this, but after a while, your neck starts to hurt. So, anyways, I'm going to get some rest at the Avianca lounge in Bogotá. And they do have a flat area I can lie down and get some rest.
We are going to be landing really soon, and because of turbulence, there was a delay in offering the
evacuation. You must leave all baggage on the aircraft. If you are using a blanket, it must be folded and placed behind you.
But the reason it was serving glass is because they are landing soon, and this is the best way. With that being said, cheers everyone. To embark, yes. Lots of credit to amazing crew on board. We won't be using the bridge, so we can be use the stairs, and then a bus will take us to the terminal. There we go. Finally, we got out of the plane, and right now I'm at Bogotá International Airport, Avianca's VIP lounge for international departure. Let's review the flight we just been on. Things I really like is on-time departure. To me, it's super important. The seating is excellent. The cushion on the seat is really awesome. As well, the premium bedding and the pillow made it the journey slightly more comfortable when it comes to sleeping. The leg room, I would say, for me it doesn't really matter because I'm not a tall person. How about things I think they can improve on? I think the staff should smile a little bit more and be a little bit more friendly. As well, they should have the Wi-Fi available, especially the 6-hour flight. On top of it, the food, it's not bad, but they can definitely improve on by adding more fruit. They even get a couple pieces of fruit, and I love fruit, right? And maybe adding a dessert as well. There's nowhere to basically put the phone. You basically have to hold it all this time. So that's basically my take on this flight. I hope you enjoy this flight as much as I do. Wherever you're going, have a safe and pleasant journey. Thanks for watching, and see you next time. Ciao.